Good afternoon, friends. We are going to make a bird's nest today. In your little pack that you got the other day, you'll have a baggie like this that says bird's nest on it. So, you want to take out all your pieces. You should have some brown paper, some blue, yellow, and red paper, a couple feathers, some green yarn, and some googly eyes. Let me see here. See my googly eyes? All right, you'll also need to find some glue and some scissors. Make sure that Mom and Dad said it's okay for you to use the scissors. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut a shape out of the brown paper. You can cut it any shape you want. You can cut it as big as you want or as little as you want. Mine's gonna be something like this. Boop. Put it down here. Then I'm gonna take my colored paper to make my birdies. So you can make your birdies any shape you'd like. You could do circles. Like that. Or you could do squares. Like that. Or triangles. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do some yellow ones next. Whoa, my square is a little not square, it's a little crooked. This one I'm gonna do a funny shape. Whoa, look at that. Kind of looks like a peanut. All right, let's do the blue. Maybe I'll do a rectangle. There's the rectangle. And we'll make a bigger square. All right, now, when birds go out to make their nest, they find all kinds of things on the ground and in the trees, branches, and different things from the ground that they can use to put in their nest. So we're gonna use this string and we're gonna cut it up into tiny little pieces. So you wanna take your string and cut it. Start putting it in your nest. You can do little pieces, like that big. Or you could do big, long pieces. Or medium-sized pieces. Okay? So put as much in your nest as you like. Now we're gonna use the glue. Open it up. You're gonna put some on your paper. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. We're gonna put our string, our yarn in it. Get in the glue there. There we go. Oh, that one came off. Okay, now for your shapes. This is what you can make into a bird. Remember, it's your activity. You make your bird any way you want it. So I'm gonna use this one that looks like a peanut, and I'm gonna glue it on here like this. You see it? Maybe use my triangle for his beak. Oops, it's upside down. Or the square could be another bird over here with, I'm gonna make another smaller triangle here. His triangle beak. Then you can add your feathers to your bird. Put a little dot of glue on there. Put your feather in it. have, remember, the googly eyes. Little dots for the googly eyes. One there and one there. Now my other bird. His eyes are kind of hiding behind his feather. There we go. There's my bird's nest. Out of shapes and yarn, feathers, and googly eyes. Once you're done making your bird's nest, take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see what it looks like.